ॐ वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यङ्करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। अथ द्वितीयोऽध्यायः प्रथमः पादः।
अथ द्वितीयोऽध्यायः प्रथमः पादः।
समर्थः पदविधिः
समर्थः पदविधिः
सुभामन्त्रिते पराङ्गवत्स्वरे
सुभामन्त्रिते पराङ्गस्वरे
प्राक्कडारात् समासः
प्राक्कडारात् समासः
सह सुपा
सह सुपा
अव्ययी भावः
अव्ययी भावः
अव्ययं विभक्तिसमीपसमृद्धिवृद्ध्यर्थाभावातया सम्प्रति शब्दप्रादुर्भावपश्चादतानुपूर्वयोगपद्य सादृश्यसम्पत्तिसाकल्यान्तवचनेषु
अव्ययं विभक्ति समीप संप्रति व्यत्यर्थाभावाद्यया सम्प्रति शब्द प्रादुर्भाव पश्चाद्यादानुपूर्व्य योगपद्य सादृश्य संपत्ति साकल्यार्थवचनेषु
यथा सादृश्ये
यथा सादृश्ये
यावदवधारणे
यावदवधारणे
सुप्रतिनामात्रार्थे
सुप्रतिनामात्रार्थे
अक्षशलाका संख्याः परिणाम
अक्षशलाका संख्या परिणाम
विभाषा
विभाषा
अपपरिबगिरञ्च वः पञ्चम्या
अपपरिबहिरञ्च पंचम्या
आङ्मर्यादाभिविध्योः
आङ् मर्यादाभिविध्योः
लक्षणेनाधिप्रति आभिमुख्ये
लक्षणेनाभिप्रति आभिमुख्ये
अनुर्यत्समया
अनुर्यत्समया
यस्य चायामः
यस्य चायामः
तिष्ठद्गुप्रवृत्तीनि च
तिष्ठद्भूप्रभृतीनि च
पारे मध्ये षष्ट्या वा
पारे मध्ये षष्ट्यावा
संख्यावंशेन
संख्यावंशेन
नदीभिश्च
नदीभिश्च
अन्यपदार्थे च संज्ञायाम्
अन्यपदार्थे च संज्ञायाम्
तत्पुरुषः
तत्पुरुषः
द्विगुश्च
द्विगुश्च
द्वितीया शतातीतपतितगतात्यस्तप्राप्तापन्नैः
द्वितीयाश्रितातीतपतितगताद्यस्तप्राप्तापन्नैः
स्वयं कृतेन
स्वयं तेन
खट्वाक्षेपे
खट्वाक्षेपे
तामि
सामी
कालाः
कालाः
अत्यन्तसंयोगे च
अत्यन्तसंयोगे च
तृतीया तत्कृतार्थेन गुणवचनेन
तृतीया तत्कृतार्थेन गुणवचनेन
पूर्वसदृशसमो नार्थकलघनिपुनमिश्रश्लक्ष्णैः
पूर्वसदृशतमोनार्थकलहनिपुणमिश्रश्लक्ष्णैः
कर्तृकरणे कृता बहुलम्
कर्तृकरणे कृता बहुलम्
कृत्यैरधिकार्थवचने
कृत्यैरधिकार्थवचने
अन्नेन व्यञ्जनम्
अन्नेन व्यञ्जनम्
भक्ष्येन मिश्रीकरणम्
पक्षीकरणम्
चतुर्थी तदर्थार्थफलितसुखरक्षितैः
चतुर्थी तदर्थार्थकलिहितसुखरक्षितैः
पञ्चमी भयेन
पञ्चमी भयेन
अप्रेतापोडमुक्तपतितापत्रस्तैरल्पशः
अपेतापूर्णमुक्तपतितापत्रैस्तैरल्पशः
शोकान्तिकधूरार्तकृच्छ्रानित्येन
स्तोकान्तिकदूरार्धकृच्छ्रानित्येन
सप्तमी शौण्ठैः
सप्तमी शौण्डैः
शुद्धशुष्कपक्वबन्धैश्च
सिद्धशुष्कपक्वबन्धैश्च
त्वाङ्क्षेण क्षेपे
वाङ्क्षेण क्षेपे
कृत्यैरणे
कृत्यैर्णे
संज्ञायाम्
संज्ञायाम्
तेनाहोरात्रावयवाः
तेनाहोरात्रावयवाः
तत्र
तत्र
क्षेपे
क्षेपे
पात्रे समितादयश्च
पात्रे समितादयश्च
पूर्वकालैकसर्वजरत्पुराणनवकेवलाः समानाधिकरणेन
पूर्वकालैकसर्वजरपुराणनवकेवलाः समानाधिकरणेन
दिक्सङ्ख्ये संज्ञायाम्
दिक्सङ्ख्ये संज्ञायाम्
तद्धितार्थोत्तरपदसमाहारे च
अतितार्थोत्तरपदसमाहारे च
द्वन्द्वतत्पुरुषयोः उत्तरपदे नित्यसमासवचनम्
द्वन्द्वतत्पुरुषयोः उत्तरपदे
नित्यसमासवचनम्
नित्यसमासवचनम्
संख्यापूर्वोद्विगुः
संख्यापूर्वो द्विगुः
कुत्सितानि कुत्सनैः
कुत्सितानि कुत्सनैः
पापानके कुत्सितैः
पापानके कुत्सितैः
उपमानानि सामान्यवचनैः
उपमानानि सामान्यवचनैः
उपमितं व्याघ्रादिभिः सामान्या प्रयोगे
उपमितं व्याघ्रादिभिः सामान्या प्रयोगे
विशेषणं विशेष्येण बहुलम्
विशेषणं विशेषेण बहुलम्
पूर्वापर प्रथमचरमधिगण्य समानमध्यमध्यम वीराश्च
पूर्वापर प्रथमचरमवगण्य समानमध्यमध्यमवीराश्च
श्रेण्यादयः कृतादिभिः
श्रेण्यान्यकृतादिभिः
तेन नन् विशिष्टेनानञ्
तेन विशिष्टेनानन्
शाकपार्थिवादीनां सिद्धये उत्तरपदलोपस्य उपसङ्ख्यानम्
शाकपार्थवादीनां सिद्धय उत्तरपदलोपस्योपसङ्ख्यानम्
तन्मगत्परमोत्तमोत्कृष्टाः पूज्यमानैः
सन्महत्परमोत्तमोत्कृष्टाः पूज्यमानैः
वृन्दारकनागकुञ्जरैः पूज्यमानम्
वृन्दारकनागकुञ्जरैः पूज्यमानम्
कतरकतमो जातिपरिप्रश्ने
कतरकतमो जातिपरिप्रश्ने
किं क्षेपे
किं क्षेपे
कोटा युवतिस्तोककतिपयदृष्टिधेनुवशावेकद्भष्कयनी प्रवक्तृ श्रोत्रियाध्यापक दुवृतैर्जातिः
कोटा युवतिस्तोककतिपयदृष्टिधेनुवशावेतद्भष्कयनी प्रवक्तृश्रोत्रियाध्यापकदूतैर्जातिः
शंसावचनैश्च
प्रशंसावचनैश्च
युवा खलति फलितवलिनजरतीभिः
युवा खलति फलितवलिनजरतीभिः
कृत्यतुल्याख्या अजात्या
कृत्यतुल्याख्या अजात्या
वर्णो वर्णेन
वर्णो वर्णेन
कुमारशमनादिभिः
कुमारश्रवणादिभिः
चतुष्पादो गर्भिण्या
चतुष्पादो गर्भिण्या
मयूरव्यंसकादयश्च
मयूरव्यंसकादयश्च
इति पाणिनीयसूत्रपाठे द्वितीयाध्यायस्य प्रथमः पादः
इति पाणिनीयसूत्रपाठे द्वितीयाध्यायस्य प्रथमः पादः
द्वितीयः पादः
द्वितीयः पादः
पूर्वापरादरोत्तरमेकदेशनैकाधिकरणे
पूर्वापरोत्तरमेकदेशनैकाधिकरणे
अर्धं नपुंसकम्
अर्धं नपुंसकम्
द्वितीय तृतीय चतुर्थतुर्यान्यन्यतरस्याम्
द्वितीय तृतीय चतुर्थतुर्यानन्यतरस्याम्
प्राप्तापन्ने च द्वितीयया
प्राप्तापन्ने च द्वितीयया
कालाः परिमाणिना
कालाः परिमाणिना
नञ्
नञ्
ईषदकृता
ईषदकृता
षष्ठी
षष्ठी
याजकादिभिश्च
याजकादिभिश्च
न निर्धारणे
न निर्धारणे
पूरणगुणसुखितार्थ सदव्ययतव्य समानाधिकरणेन
पूर्ण गुण सुखितार्थ सदव्यय तव्य समानाधिकरणेन
तेन च पूजायाम्
तेन च पूजायाम्
अधिकरणवाचिना च
अधिकरणवाचिना च
कर्मणि च
कर्मणि च
जकाभ्यां कर्तरि
त्रिजकाभ्यां कर्तरि
कर्तरि च
कर्तरि च
नित्यं क्रीडा जीविकयोः
नित्यं क्रीडा जीविकयोः
सुगतिप्राधयः
सुगतिप्रादयः
प्रादयो गताद्यर्थे प्रथमया
प्रादयो गताद्यर्थे प्रथमया
अत्यादय क्रान्ताद्यर्थे द्वितीयया
अत्यादय क्रान्ताद्यर्थे द्वितीयया
अवादय कृष्टाद्यर्थे तृतीयया
अवादय कृष्टाद्यर्थे तृतीयया
पर्यादयो ग्लानाद्यर्थे चतुर्थ्या
पर्यादयो ज्ञानाद्यर्थे चतुर्थ्यया
निरादय क्रान्ताद्यर्थे पञ्चम्या
निरादेः क्रान्ताद्यर्थे पञ्चम्या
उपपदमतिम्
उपपदमतिम्
अमैवाव्ययेन
अमैवाव्ययेन
तृतीया प्रभृतिर्यन्यतरस्याम्
तृतीया प्रभृतिरन्यतरस्याम्
वाच
वाच
शेषो बहुव्रीहिः
शेषो बहुव्रीहिः
अनेकमन्यपदार्थे
अनेकमन्यपदार्थे
संख्यया विहासन्नादूरादिकसंख्या संख्येये
संख्यया सन्नादूरादिकसंख्याः संख्येये
नामान्यन्तराले
नामान्यन्तराले
तत्र तेनेदमिति स्वरूपे
तत्र तेनेदमिति स्वरूपे
तेन सहेति तुल्ययोगे
तेन सहेति तुल्ययोगे
चार्थे द्वन्द्वः
चार्थे द्वन्द्वः
उपसर्जनं पूर्वम्
उपसर्जनं पूर्वम्
राजदन्तादिषु परम्
राजदन्तादिषु परम्
द्वन्द्वेघी
द्वन्द्वेघी
अजाद्यदन्तम्
अजाद्यदन्तम्
अल्पाच्तरम्
अल्पाच्तरम्
सप्तमी विशेषणे बहुव्रीगौ
सप्तमी विशेषणे बहुव्रीहौ
अष्टा
इष्टा
वाहिताग्न्यादिषु
वाहिताज्ञादिषु
कडारा कर्मधारये
कडारा कर्मधारये
इति पाणिनीयसूत्रपाठे द्वितीयाध्यायस्य द्वितीयः पादः
इति पाणिनीयसूत्रपाठे द्वितीयाध्यायस्य द्वितीयः पादः
प्राग्रीश्वरा निपाताः चादयः असत्त्वे निपाताः प्रादयः निपाताः प्रादयः उपसर्गाः भवन्ति क्रियायोगे गतिश्च ऊर्यादि चीडाचश्च the following sutra. So all these are nipata Nipatas means Swaradi Nipatam Avyayam. And Chadeha Chadigana words are also Nipata Avyayam. Then Pradayaha, etc. Pradayaha Kriya Yoge. Pradayaha Kriya Yoge Nipataha Avyayam Bhavanti. And they get the same name. With the same Pradaya get the name Upasargaha Kriya Yoge. And Pradayaha get the name Gatischa also. Kriya Yoge means Dhatu. It could be a Tinganta, it could be a Pradanta. Pradayaha Kriya Yoge. Then when the Dhatu, in association with the Dhatu. If it is Tingantam, then that is not Samasa, because you cannot form Samasa with Tingantam. Subantam, Samartena, Subantena, Yaga Savasyati. So that is why Upasarga, say, Gachati, Agachati, Pariprachati, etc. So Kriya Yoga, there it is Kriya Padam, Tingantam, it is not Samasa. Harati, Praharati, Harati. Yan Upasarga, not Samasa. And Pradayaha, etc. Kriya Yoga. So therefore, there it cannot be Tinganta, it could be a Kritanta word, Pradayaha. Kriya Yoge Samasa Bhavati, that is Praditat Purusha Samasa. Samasa is formed by Kugati Pradaya. Similarly, Gatihi, Pradaya Idasanya Gatihi, that also Kriya Yoge. Kriya Yoge means not Tinganta. Can be Tinganta, but it cannot be Samasa. It is not Tinganta, then it is Samasa. So Gatihi also can combine with the form of the dhatu, Kradanta form of the dhatu, Kradanta Rupam, like Ta Anta, Tavatu, Artumun, Tva, all these are Subanta. So Gati, the Pradayaka Gati, Subantam, it cannot combine with Tinganta and form Samasa. It can combine with Kradanta Rupam of Vidatus, and that is Subanta, therefore can combine, and because they are Pradayaka Gati Singha, therefore they become Gati Samasa. Samasa is formed by the Sutra Kugati Pradayaha. So therefore we have three Samasa, Ku Samasa, Praditat Purusha, and Gati Samasa. Praditat Purusha, Pradayaha, Kriya Yoge. We will see. Pra, etc. Pradayaha, Kriya Yoge. Pradayaha, Pra, etc. Samartena, Subantena, Sakas Samasyate, becomes Samasa. So Pradayaha, that is, it is, the Pradayaha alone, Kriya Yoge, gets a Sanya, Gati. So Pradeyaha need not be with Kriya Yoge to form Samasa. If it is Pradeyaha, Kriya Yoge, then Gata Sanya Gatihi, then Gati Samasa. So Pradeyaha, Pra, etc. can combine with a Subantam. Samartena Subantena Saha Samasyati Samasaha Bhavati. Okay. Same Pradeya Gata Sanya Gatihi, Kriya Yoge. When it is Gati Sanya, then Kriya Yoge is the Kridanta Rupam of Dhatu. Cannot be Tinganta for form Samasa. Then becomes Gati Samasa. Whereas Pradeyaha can combine with Samartena Subantena Padam. Let's see example, you'll understand. It's called Praditat Purusha Samasa. Example, suppose we say Suputraha, Shobanaha Putraha or Sushtu Putraha. Putraha is a Subanta. And Su, the Pradi, Su. It is Nipata Avyaya. So Su iti Subantam Padam अव्ययं पदं पुत्र इति समर्थेन स्वर्ते सह समसिते समासः भवति. सुपुत्रः शोभनः पुत्रः. That su is Pradi. Therefore it is Pradi Tatpurusha. So Pradayah Samarthena Subantena Samasyate Samasah Bhavati. Same Pradayah Kriya Yoga Gita Sanya Gatihi, and Gatihi now can combine with Samarthena Subantena, and that is Subanta is formed from a Dhatu that is a Kridanta. Kridanta. So Gatihi combined with Kriya Yoga means Kridanta Rupam Avi Dhatu. Like Tva, etc. Tva, Tavatu, etc. In form Samasa. You will see examples, you will understand. So, Kugati Pradeyaha, first we have seen Kusamasa. Under Kusamasa, we have seen all these sutra. The changes happening to the Ku, Kukat Tat Purushayachi, Ratavada Yoscha, Ishadatte, Kavanchoshne, etc. Changes happening to Ku. Ku become Kat Tat Purushayachi. All these things we have seen. And what is Gati Pradeyaha? The definitions are important. Upasarga, the Sanya is not required for Samasa because there is no Upasarga Samasa. Upasargaha, Pradeyaha, get a Sanya Upasargaha, Kriya Yoge. So it is 1-4 section, not Samasa section. So Upasarga can be Upapadam. That we will see later. Upasarga can be Upapadam and that can be Upapada Samasa, but not Ugati Pradaya. It will not come under this. So Upasargaha Kriya Yoge, when we say Kriya, association with the Kriya is Tinganta Rupa. Tinganta Rupam. So therefore Prakaroti, Pariprachati, so Praharati, that pra etc. Upasarga. What is the use of ordaining Upasarga? Upasarga, the ordaining, the reason for ordaining Upasarga is to bring Natvam, Shatvam, etc. So that's why Upasarga Sanya is given to the Pradeha Kriya Yoga. So Pradeha Kriya Yoga for Tinganta. So that Sanya is not required for us because we are dealing with compounds, Samasa. Now, Pradeha Gatihi Bhavati. Same Pradeha Gatihi, not only Pradeha alone, even the following sutra, where the words other than Pradeha are all coming, like Uryadi, Chidachascha, that's a Uryadi Gana. That's a Uryadi Gana. In Uryadi, you have seen a lot of words are there in the Uryadi Gana. They are also combined with Kriya Yoga and form Gati Samasa. So Gati includes Pradayaha plus whatever is mentioned further down. From 61, you can see Uryadi, Chida, Chascha, the Gati goes Anuvruti up to 79. In other meanings, whatever meanings are given here down below, 63, 64, 65. So Gati includes Pradaya plus the sutras down below. Uryadi Gana words are also Gati. When they enjoy Gati, Kriya Yoge, the Kriya Yoge, Pradaya Kriya Yoge. Even up to 62, it is Kriya Yoga. So Uryadi also enjoys Gati Sanya Kriya Yoga. So Gati Sanya has more scope than Pradaya. Pradaya confined to only those 20 or 21 words, pra, para, etc. Or those nipatas, avayas. Whereas Gati Sanya is extended to further more. Includes Pradaya also other words, Uryadi Gana words, etc. Kriya Yoga, it gets a Sanya Gati. The compound would be Gati Samasa. Okay. Now, last class we started Gati Samasa. Pradeyaha, these are the Pradeyaha, pra, para, pasam, etc. Upasargaha. Upasargaha Kriya Yoge. Upasargaha Kriya Yoge. So, example we can see. Pradeha iti gane इति सूत्रे निर्दिष्टे प्रादिगणे विद्यमानाः निपातसंज्ञाः यदा धातोः योगे प्रयुज्यन्ते तेषाम् उपसर्गसंज्ञा भवन्ति। तो धातोः and धातोः therefore ते प्राक् धातोः सूत्रेण all these they get उपसर्गसंज्ञा and it comes पूर्वम्। सर्वेषाम् उपसर्गाणां you can see the example प्रणमति पराजयते अपकृत्य यत् क्रियायोगे is therefore apa is उपसर्ग but Upasarga Sanya is not required here because it's not Upasarga Samasa. This is a Apa enjoys Sanya Upasarga, fine, but it is as a compound combines with Kriya Yoge, that is Apa plus Krutva. The Suvantena Saha Samasyate, therefore, this is Apakritya becomes Gati Samasa. Apakritya, they enjoy the Sanya. I mean, the samasa is Gati Samasa. Apa Upasarga Sanya is required only in case if it is going to make any Shattam or Dattam. Here it is Gati. Similarly, Sanyogaha. Sam plus Yuj Dhatu, then He Pratyaya becomes Yogaha. Sam Dhatoho Prak Bhavati, therefore Upasarga, but here it is Yuj plus Gai combines with the Kridanta word, the Svanta, therefore in the compound it gets a Sanya Gati. So examples here are given. Subanta examples are also given. If it is Subanta, it's a compound. And Tinganta examples are also given. Pranamati is a Kriya Padam. Tinganta example, where Pra is Upasarga. Parajayate is a Kriya Padam, where Para is Upasarga. There doesn't enjoy Gati Sanya because Gati only in the case of compound. Apakritya. Apa is Upasarga, combining the Dhatu, Tri Dhatu, plus Tva Pratyaya. Because Upasarga is there. Therefore, this is the usage of Upasarga. Upasarga is there. Therefore, Tva will be replaced by Lyap. And the resultant will be Ekati Samasa. Because the same Apa, Yat Sanya, Gati hi Kriya Yoge. Therefore, in the compound, enjoys Gati. Therefore, this is a Gati Samasa. Similarly, Samyoga, etc. Nirgachati, there, Nir, Upasarga. It is association with the Kriya, and the form of the Kriya is Tinganta. Here it is your Upasarga. Similarly, Nisarati. Avagamya, Avapurvaka, Gamdatu, Tva Pratyaya. Ava as Upasarga brings in the Adesha of Lyap in the place of Tva. And the resultant, this is a compound, combination of Ava and Gamya, another Tridantar form. That's a compound, Avagamya. Okay, these are Gati Samasa. Ava plus Gam plus Tva. And Tva is replaced by Lyap because of the Ava Upasarga Samase Anansh Purve. So there it is, the compound is Gati Samasa. The Ava enjoys Gati Sanya, therefore Gati Samasa. We cannot call it Upasarga Samasa. Upasarga, there is no sutra by which Upasarga can combine with Samartha Subanta Padam from compound. Only Kugati Pradayaha is there. Upasarga can be a Upapadam and participate in compound. That is by the sutra Upapadam a thing. That we will see later. Upapadam a thing. There Upapada could be a, that is a Upasarga could be a Upapada. Okay, give an example to understand. Suppose you take the word Pradaha. What is Pradaha? Vasudevendra Yogindram Natva Jnanapradam Gurum. What is Pradam? Pradaha. Jnanapradam Gurum. Pradaha is
Present.
huh?
Prada is to present.
No. Prakashena dadati iti pradaha. Dadati iti daha, the one who gives. Prakashena dadati iti pradaha. So here, pra plus dadatu. Pra plus dadatu. Then the Atascha upasarge, kaha one sutram is there. By that you can add ka. Atascha, akaranta dhatu, having upasarga, then ka pratyaya is added, then da ato lopa will happen, then dakara, then plus a, then finally you get prada. So this compound is here pra as the upapadam, upasarga as upapadam. It comes under upapada samasa. This comes under upapada samasa. Upapadam ating. Upapadam samipe ucharitam padam vartamanam padam upapadam combined with here it is not subanta. Da plus ka is kridanta, not samaka. It is not a, it is just a pradipadikam, not a subanta. Pra iti upasargaha atra upapadam. So combined with the kridanta rupam of the dhatu, the and form a compound. That is why sutra upapadam ating is there. Ating means what? Kridanta. Not a pradipadikam even. Not a subanta, it's a pradipadikam. Kridanta is pradipadikam. So subantam kridantena. You can say loosely. Samasya. That is upapadam ating by the sutra that we are going to see later. Okay. So there, pra as the upasarga enjoys the sanya upapadam. Okay. That is the place only where upasarga you will see as upapadam participate in the compound. Whereas in all other places, if it is a thing, then it is the pradeha is upasarga, just upasarga. It's not a compound. In other places, it's all compound. Avagamya. Similarly, Vijayaha, V plus Jayaha. Then Sanyogaha, Anuvadaha, etc. So, they enjoy upasarga sanya, that is for the Nattam Shattam. Some reasons are there. Nattam you will see in each 4 section. Upasarga, that repa, rikara, shattam as a nimitta in the upasarga causes shattam, ashabhya, nattam, sorry, causes nattam. In fact, here it has caused, you can see here tra plus nayati. Of course, here it is upasarga, therefore upasargastita nimittat apadantanakarasya nattam pranayati. It's a clean one. This is a sutra. It's a upasarga samasayapi nopadeshasya. So here happening there. Okay. Now let us continue from where we left. So therefore, so many sanyas are there. Upasargaha, gati sanyakaha, vipata sanyakaha, avya sanyakaha, pratipadika sanyakaha, padasanyakaha cha bhavanti. All the names are there for upasarga. The names are useful. Upasarga kridanta yoga madhye. This is what I said. Upasarga and kridanta yoga madhye upapada samasaha bhavati gatihi va vidyate. Ataha sandhihi api avasyam bhavati eva. In fact, this is an example. Pray 3 to 6. 3 to 6 is upapada section, upapada samasa. Upasarga se upasito dadatoho ka pratyaya vidyate, by that you get pradaha. So therefore, this compound is Upapada Samasa, not Upasarga Samasa. Raya Upasarga, combining with the Kridanta. Kridanta Yoga Madhya. Natu Subantayana Saha. That's why Ating, Upapadam Ating. Okay. Parantu Agataha iti ta pratyavidanam a upasargam vina api sambhavati a upasargena saha gata iti kridantasya gati samasaha iti uchyate. Agataha, the word if you take, that a is the upasarga. Gam plus ta pratyavidanam a upasargam vina api sambhavati. Here 3 to 6, there is a rule. Only when pra upasarga is there, then only da dhatu will take ka pratyaya. But there is no such rule in agataha. A purvaka gam plus whether upasarga a is there or not, gam can take ta pratyaya. Independently can take ta pratyaya. Unlike 3 to 6. Where 3 to is pre. Pre is in Saptami. That which is in Saptami, in that section enjoys Sanya Upapada. So pra enjoys Upapada Sanya provided da dhatu takes a pratyaya, ka pratyaya. Here there is no such condition here. How the upasarga? Upasarga mina api. Even without the upasarga, gataha is possible. Gam plus ta pratyaya. Ta pratyaya vidanam sambhavati. Ataha a upasargena saha gata iti kridantasya gati samasaha uchyate. Therefore, what samasa? Is it upapada samasa? Not upapada samasa. Upapada samasa rules are in 3 to section. So there is no rule by that section, the section by which agataha, the compound is made. A iti upasargaha gam dhatoho ta pratyanta gam dhatoho samasyate. So even without upasarga it can. Therefore, what samasa? A is in the pradayaha. Therefore, upasargaha kriya yoge gatischa. Gati sanya enjoys. Therefore, tu gati pradayaha by that sutra. A iti gatihi avyayam padam subantam padam avyaya subantam padam gata iti or gataha iti samartena subantena saha samasyate gati samasaha bhavati. This is one gati samasa where the a is the pradeyaha, pradi. Now this is pradya. Then further down we have many words, the gati. Many other words other than pradeyaha enjoys gati sanya. That is what we are seeing. All these things we have seen. You can just revise. Gatischa, the last class we saw Gatischa. You can see the example again here. The words pra, etc. Enjoys gati sanya in composition, in association with the verb. So pra, etc. enjoy upasarga sanya and gati sanya also. Upasarga sanya we can say when it is a kriya padam. Why I say kriya padam? Because the topic is here samasa. So we don't have to. Upasarga is upapadam, then it is upapada samasa. That is different. There we don't say upasarga samasa, upapada samasa it is. Therefore, for all our understanding, you can say Pradyaha upasargaha kriya yoga means tingantam can say. Because upapadam a thing should not be a thing. Should not be a thing means what? It need not be, it's not a subanta, it's kridanta rupa. Upasarga can be upapada combined with the kridanta rupam of dhatu and form samasa, that is upapada samasa. The same pradyaha get the sanya gati kriya yoga and form compound, like the example prakritya I can take. Pra plus ra is pradyaha gati sanya bhavati, upasarga sanya api bhavati. But that upasarga sanya is not required because we are going to make compound. Compound is possible by kugati pradyaha. Since pra is gati, gati is the sutram. So gati iti nipatam, that avyayam, subantam padam, kru plus tva, krutva iti samartena, subantena saha. pra plus kr, kriya yoge, therefore pra enjoys gati. That is why pra enjoys gati. So kr plus pra, subantena saha samasyate, is compounded. When it is compounded, then we have a special rule, pra will be replaced by lep. Samase ananj purve. The compound, when it's not, there is no nanj in the purva, ananj purva, pra is replaced by lep. Therefore, you get lep prakritya, prakarshena kritva. That is vigraha vakya. Prakarshena kritva prakritya. Here, pra being called gati. Therefore, we can compound by Kugati Pradeha and then get the form Prakritya. So all these are Gati Samasa. The Gati Samasa are not confined only to Pradeha, it is further extended. That is what we are seeing. 1461, where there is the extension of the Gati Sanya to Uryadikana and the compound formed with that, which we are going to see, we are seeing. You follow, right? So this is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes.
Can Upasarga participate in compound? Yes? Or
No.
No. Upasarga is Upapadam. Possible that is Upapadam, I think Upapada Samasa. That is Upapada Samasa. Upapada Samasa are there in 3-2 section. Upapadam, I think we are going to see. Okay. Upapadam, I think the next sutra. And what is Upapadam? Upapadam is a technical word. That in the 3-2 section, Tatra Sap, in fact, 3-1 section it is defined. Tatra Saptami Stam Upapadam. And in the 3-2 section, you will see the words in the sutra, the words which are in Saptami Bhakti gets a sanya, Upapadam. Upapadam is technically defined here. Tatra Upapadam Saptami Stam. Tatra, Kutra. It goes only up to 94. It means Krit, that which is Krit. Right? Krit a thing. So here also a thing, and then Upapadam also a thing. Right? You can see the connection. 3, 4, 7. This is Krit a thing, Upapadam a thing. So Tatra referring to Tatra Upapadam. Upapadam is a sanya. Saptami Stam. That which is in Saptami Vibhakti. That which is in Saptami Vibhakti enjoys a sanya, Upapadam. That is, Tatra is Dhatoh. Dhatoh Adhikare. Dhatoh Adhikare. That which is in Saptami Vibhakti, that enjoys a sanya, Upapadam. Tatra is referring to this Dhatoh Adhikara. Dhatoh Adhikara is 3191 up to the end of 3-4 section. All Dhatoh Adhikara. So that Padam which is in Saptami Vibhakti, get the sanya, Upapadam. So where it is Saptami Vibhakti, you will see in the 3-2 section. Yes, defined here. And the 3-2 section, you find the words in Saptami. And the next sutra is Krit a thing. What is Krit is defined. That which is not a thing is called Krit. Okay. So in 3-2 section, if you see, yeah, this is 3-2. Sopapada Krit Vidhiritaha. Sopapada means Upapadena Saha. So this is Upapada. Karmani and Karmani is in Saptami. Therefore, Karmani means not literally the word Karmani. Karmani means karma. Karma, the object, enjoys the sanya Upapadam. So when there is an object, karma is there. Then Dhatoho Anpratyaha Bhavati. Like Kumbham Karoti Kumbhakaraha. Krudhatu will take Anpratyaya because the karma is Kumbham, iti karma asti. Upapadam asti. So that is Karmani. Karmani is Saptami Bhakti, and therefore you have to take Karmani means the object. The object is called Upapadam. Kumbham Karoti. Kumbha is the object. Therefore, Kumbha plus Kumbham. That is the karma. Upapadam. And the Dhatu in Upapadam is there. Dhatoh adhikare vartate. Sutra. Dhatoh, kru dhatoh. Example, kru dhatu will take an pratyaya. Kru plus an become kara and kumbha plus plus kara. So here kara is not a thing. It is not a subanta. It is a thing. So kridanta rupena. Krudatoho kridanta rupena. The kumbham iti subanta padam combines. So and form a compound. That is by Upapadam thing. Upapadam is in Pratama Vibhakti in the Sutra, Samasvedeka Sutra. Therefore, Kumbham is placed first. We are going to see that later. Okay. So what I'm saying is, here you can see Kumbha, the Upapada, is Purunipata. Therefore, Kumbham plus plus Kru plus An. So the whole thing is a compound. Krutatita Samasarcha. Therefore, Kumbha, Kara, you get. The same Upapadam can be a Upasarga also. We have sutra like that. Ataha anupasarge kaha upasarge also. Pray. Pray is upasarga. This is sutra only. What's this? Pray dajnaha. Dadataho as well as jnadatu also. Prajnaha. Prakarshena janat. Ta pratyaya bhavati. When there is upapadam, and upapadam happens to be upasarga. Right? Okay. Therefore, there is no upasarga samasa, there is only upapada samasa. And upapadam can be upasarga or upapadam can be anything. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Right? The compound is formed by upapadam. Upapadam nothing. Okay. Why I say is because upasarga is not get confused. Upasarga is there, then what upasarga samasa is. Upasarga part is as a samasa possible, that is in upapada samasa only. Okay. But there is no upasarga samasa like that, upapada samasa only. Upapadam can be upasarga or it can be anything. Now, coming back here. So gati example, you can take the words Pradeyaha, and we will show that example, lot of example, but Pradi Tatpurusha. I will give some example. Gatischa, Gatihi, that taking the words of Pradeyaha, Pradeyaha enjoys Gati Sanya, Kriya Yoga. Then after that, the succeeding sutra, the words of the sutra also enjoys Gati, and the examples we will see. Already we have seen. Now here I will give example for Gati Samasa. Gati Samasa Udaharanam, where I am taking the words of Pradeyaha. Right? Pradeyaha, Pradaya Shabdaha. Taking the words of Pradeyaha and showing Gati Samasa Udaharanam. Already we have given one example. So pra plus kru plus lyap. Prakritya pra iti gati. How does it enjoy Gati Sanya? By what it enjoys Gati Sanya? Kriya Yoge. Pradeyaha Kriya Yoge Gati Sanya Bhavati. Right? So Kriya is there. Then Kriya, then Tva Pratyaya. Pra plus Kru plus Tva or pra plus Krutva you can directly take. Pra iti Pradi. Pradi, the word. Kriya Yoge Kru. Dhatoho. Here it is Kridanta Rupam. So pra, it is Subanta Padam. Here it is Krutva iti. Subantena Saha, that is Subantam, can combine. When it combines, then what happens? Tva will be replaced by Lyap. That is not a Samasa rule, it is the seventh chapter. It's Angakarya. Samase Ananj Purve. The sutra itself says Samase Ananj Purve. 7-2, 7-1, 7-137. Samase Ananj Purve. Lyap Bhavati. Tva Stane Lyap. So therefore you get Prakritya. Similarly, the other words. So therefore, the Gati Sanyaka Shabdaha Krit Prakritika, the Kridanta Rupa of the Dhatus can combine and form compound. Okay. Only when there is a Kriya Yoga, then only this enjoys Gati Sanya. Otherwise, no Gati Sanya. That is why Gati Samasa. So, only in Kriya Yoga eva Upasarga Sanya, Gati Sanya bhavati. If Kriya is not there, then Kriya Yoga, then it is not Gati Sanya. Then what Samasa it would be? If Kriya Yoga is not there, then it is Pradayaha, Pradidat Purusha. Okay. I hope you understand. So therefore, you can take the Pradayaha as well as Puryadi, etc. and combine with Samartena Subantena. Subanta is Krit Prakritika Subanta. Pranta, Tavatu, Tumananta, Chatranta, all these things. This is one example. And further examples. Let's take other example. Same example, what we saw before. Then take that A plus Gam Dhatu. A plus Gata. A iti Pradigana. Here Gam is for our understanding and splitting and writing. Gam plus Ta Pratyaya. Here A plus, yes, it's Abhiya, therefore no Subanta. Here Gam plus Ta Pratyaya becomes Gata, and Gata plus Gataha plus Su. Here both are Abhiya. Ra is Abhiya, Nipatam, Saradi Nipatam Abhiya, Krita is also Abhiya. How it is Abhiya? Tvatosun Kasunaha. Tvatosun Kasunaha. By that sutra, Tva Pratyantas are Abhiya, right? Tva Tosun Kasunaha, please see. Tva Tosum, Tva Pratyanta, and Tosun Kasunaha, Tva Pratyanta Shabdaha, and Tosun Pratyanta Shabdaha, and Kasun Pratyanta Shabdaha, Avya Sanyakaha Bhavanti, 1140. So therefore, Abhyam. The Su comes, Abhyat Apsupaha, look. So here also, Supra Abhyam, Supratya came, Supratya gone. Therefore, Pra plus Kritya, Prakritya. Then even if you had Su, Prakritya is the compound. Kritadita Samasascha Pratipadika. Now, what is this Prakritya? Prakritya is Avya. Because Avyam combining with Avyam, so you get Prakritya, Gati Samasa, Prakritya, then when you decline that. Prakritya plus Su. What will happen Prakritya plus Su?
Prakritya would be.
Lopa.
Sulopah.
Sulopa bhavati. Avyat, Apsupaha, Luk bhavati. Not will happen only for will happen for Su. Where?
Namosakasya. Napumsakalinga.
Napumsakalinga. No. Su will be replaced by For what? If it is Abhibhava Samasa. Okay. If it is Abhibhava Samasa, then only Su is replaced by Understand? Is it Abhibhava Samasa? No. Therefore, what happens? Avyat Apsupaha Look. Understand?
Okay.
Because both are Avya, will you get non-Avya Padam? No. Ra is Avya, Krita is also Avya. Right? And Prakritya you get. And it is Parvatalingam. Suppose if it is Tatpurusha, Parvatalingam. What is Parvatalingam? What is the Linga here? It is Avya. It is therefore Su, what will happen to Su? Because it is avyaya, avyayat apsupaha look bhavati. Avyayam combining with another avyayam. You get avyayam, you will not get anavyayam. Okay. Avyaya can become anavyaya by adding some pratyaya. That is different. But here it is just avyaya. Therefore, supratyaya added to this avyaya. What will happen to supratyaya? Avyayat apsupaha look. Supratyaya added to the avyaya become look, and it will be replaced by yam provided if it is avibhava samasa. That is why avibhavaha. There the sutra. Please see the sutra 1-4 section. 1-4 section here only. 1-4. Avyayat apsupaha look. 1-2 or 1-3. Just 2-4 section. 2-4 ED. Yeah. Avyayat apsupaha 2-4-82. Na avibhavataha. You can see here. Avyayibhavat. Avibhavat only what will happen? Ato Avibhavat ataha bhavati. Supaha ataha adantavibhavat bhavati. Supratyastare adesha bhavati. Understand? Here is it avibhava samasa? No. Therefore, what will happen to su? By aviyat ap supaha, aviyat parasya,
लोपः
supaha pratyasya, luk bhavati.
लोपः
Supaha luk. Right?
Okay.
Understand? So it becomes
Yes.
look. So therefore, Prakritya plus su. Even though I have not mentioned, I took it for granted because we know. Therefore, you get Prakritya only. Prakritya can write 2-4-7, 2-4-82. Aviyat apsupaha. Look. Pra iti gati sanyaka shabdaha, which is naviyam, combined with twa pratyanta subantam, which is also naviyam. Therefore, avayam bhavati. Therefore, avayat apsupaha look. Supratyasya look bhavati. Right? Okay. Here it is lyap pratyaya. Therefore, it is avayam. Whereas here, a plus gam plus taha. A is avayam. Gam plus ta plus su. The whole thing is a compound. So, samase, samase is supodhatu pratipadika yogo, look. Therefore, making look of the pratyas, a plus gam plus ta. Gam plus ta, when kit pratyaya follows, anunasika lopa bhavati, therefore gam plus ta you get. Finally, gam plus ta is gata. Akarasya lopa bhavati, anunasikasya lopa bhavati, kiti pratyaya pare. So, rule 6-4-37, I think. Anyway, so that's why you get in fact a plus gata. So now agata. Any sandhi is possible, do sandhi. Sandhi, no sandhi here, agata. Now agata plus. Is it abhayam? No. Gata is declinable. Gataha gato gataha. Depending on the gender, by default we'll take pullinga. Therefore agataha. Here it is not abhayam. Therefore you get agataha, agatau, agataha. You can make it. Right? Then similarly, other examples. I'll just quickly give examples. You see the example. Pranitam. What is pranitam? Just give the vigraha vakya. Pra iti prakarshena. Right? Prakarshena nitam. How this natam happened? Pra is gati. Let me do this. Prakarshena nitam. Pra is gati. And dhatu is ni dhatu. Ta pratyaya. Plus su. Supodhatu pratipadik yoga look. So pra plus nita. Pra is gati. Kriya yoge. which is in association with a dhatu, and ta pratyaya, nita. So you get pranita. Here, pra is the compound. The compound, what is there? The repa is there, which is a nimitta. Therefore, upasargas samasayapi nattam bhavati 8-4. So in the 8-4 section, we have the sutra. Therefore, by that, what will happen? It becomes pranita. There it is, pra is upasarga. It enjoys upasarga sanya. Not in the compound. In the compound, upasarga sanya is useless. But in causing nattam, upasarga sanya is required. That is why Pradayaha upasargaha, that sanya is required. Upasarga sanya for causing nattam, shattam, etc. So therefore, the dante nakara becomes bhuta nakara because of repa, which is a part of the purva padam, and that happens upasarga, not because of gati. Upasarga. The sutra is upasarga. Upasarga, the nimitta, which is upasarga, in the compound, also can cause natvam. So therefore, pranita. Now pranita is a pradipadikam, pranita plus su, napumsakalinga vikshayam, pala shabdavat, su will be replaced by yam. Therefore, you get pranitam or pranitaha, whatever it is. In all the gender, it is possible. Prakarshena nitam, that which is well broad. Understand? What samasa is this? What compound? Va iti pradayaha, enjoying the sanya gati, kriya yoge, get the form pranita, gati samasa. Right? Understand? Similarly, you can take some more example. Abhishiktam. Abhishiktam is, we know, therefore I'm not writing in all these steps. What is Abhishiktam is? Abhi Purvaka, Abhi is Gati. We need a Sanya Gati here because Gati Samasa compounding is done. Gati, Upastarga Sanya you can take if it is causes Natton, etc. So Gati, Dhatu is Sich Dhatu, Sich plus Ta Pratyaya. Sich causes, Kuttam happens, then Kara plus Ta. And you can see here, what Sakara is that? Very interesting. This Sakara is, actually the Dhatu was originally Shich Dhatu, Murdani Shakara. Then Dhatu Adehe Shaka Saka, by that Sakara has come. Now this is Adesha Sakara, preceded by In. Therefore you can do Adesha Pratyayoko, by that the Sakara becomes Murdani Shakara. Abhishikta, Abhishikta plus Su, Abhishiktam. Understand? You want me to write this, or it's okay to explain like this? You follow, right? All of you.
Yes.
So I'm not writing how it is Shiktam and all, we know. So Abhishiktam is also Gati. Abaddam, another example. Dhatu is Baddha Dhatu, Ta Pratyaya, Abaddam. Prakritam, all these are examples. Pra plus Kru, Prakarshena Kritam, Ta Pratyayata, all these are Ta Pratyayata. Prakarshena, Dushkritam. Dushkritam, what is Dushkritam? How you get Dushkritam? Dushkritam or Sukritam also. Sukritam means Punya. Dushkritam, Sukritam. How you get Dushkritam? So here is the Gati, Radhi, which enjoys Sanya Gati, because of Kriya Yoke Kru, Kru plus Ta plus suppose if you take Dur, which is Dus. In the Pradigana, you will see Dus. This is one of the Shabda in the Pradeyaha. Just check that. Pradeyaha. You will have Dus, you have Dur also. Dus and dur, both are there. So dushkritam. Suppose if you take dushkritam, supodhatu pratipadikyo look, the way by that you get dus plus kru. I take dus. The gati is dus. Krudanta krit prakritika subantena saka samasyate. Form compound is formed. Now we have duskrita. Now here we have a rule in the Ashtadhyayi 8.3 section. You see how that sakara, how the sakara becoming shakara. 8.3 section, that adesha pratyaho, in that section you will see. Adesha pratyaya, not before that, sorry. Here you can see it, 8.4.41, not adesha pratyaho. Here it is 8.4.41. It ut upadasya cha apratyasya. By that sutra. What is that sutra? By that sutra you get shaha, inaha shaha. You get the shaha, shakara adesha, 8.4.41. Dushkrutam, that sakara becomes visarga, visarga then becomes replaced by shakara. So you will see that. 8.4.41. This is, we'll see that sutra later in detail now. How it becomes Chitrapata 8.4.41. Sorry, 8.3. Itupada. Itupada means ikara is upada. Utupada is ukara is upada. Upada. Ikara upadasya, ukara upadasya. And it should be a, should not be a pratyaya. Pratyaya avayava bhinnasya, not part of the pratyaya. So dus or dur, they are not pratyaya. In fact, in the compound they enjoy the sanya gati. So pratyaya avayava bhinnasya, they are not part of the, they are not pratyaya. Avayava of the pratyaya. Bhinnasya, different from the avayava of the pratyaya. Then visargasya sthane. Where is visarga? Now here, if you take dus is a padam, sakara. Sakara followed by karlata. Therefore, we can say dus padanta sakara. Sa sajusho ruhu. Can say ru. Ru means repa. Then we can say whether it is dur or dur, you get the same. Even if you take dur, you will get the same. So ru is nothing but repa followed by karlata. Therefore, karavasana visarjaniyaha, you get visarga. So that visarga, what happens? Visargasya sthane shakaraha adeshaka bhavati. So now visargasya sthane, when takare kakare kha pha pha, the kuppoho kafpaucha, from that becoming as anuvratti. Are visargasya sthane shakaraha adesha bhavati. Therefore, ordering sakara in the place of visarga. Therefore, you have dushkrita. That's why you get dushkrita. Dushkrita. Now we can add su. Pullinge dushkritaha. Napumsakalinge dushkrita. Here napumsakalinga if we take like palashabdavat ato therefore you get dushkritam. So here this we can say this is by the sutra 8-66 karavasana yoga visarjaniyaha. Then visarga becomes 8-66 by sassa sajishoraku. Then karavasana visarjaniyaha by 8.3.15. Then we have the sutra itupadasya 8.3.41. By that shakara adesha comes in the place of visarga when followed by kha or papa. Then you get this form. Dushkritam. You see that sutra itself. You can see that sutra. इकारोपदस्य उकारोपदस्य प्रत्यय अवयव भिन्नस्य विसर्गस्य स्थाने ख ख फ फ परे शकारः ह्रस्व इकारात् ह्रस्व उकारात् परः विद्यमान विसर्गः यदि प्रत्यय निर्मितः नास्ति, not created out of प्रत्यय, it is not a part of the प्रत्यय. तर्हि what happens? तस्य स्थाने ख ख फ फ परे शकारः आदेशः भवति. सामान्य रूपेण ह्रस्व इकारात् ह्रस्व उकारात् परः एव विसर्गः दृश्यते, सः प्रत्ययस्य एव वर्तते. जनरली it says, जनरली विसर्गः यत्र दृश्यते that will be प्रत्यय विसर्गः, like मुनिः, मुनिः, हरिः. Visarga is born of sakara, which is that is pratyay sakara. Supratyay visargaha matibhi ramaihi, all these danuhu adeyaha. Keshuchana shabdeshu pratyay binnaha visarga drishyate. Pratyay binnaha visargaha, not part of the pratyaya, like in the avyayam. Pratar, antar, the repa is, repa becomes visarga. But that visarga is born of, not because of the repa of which has come in the place of sakara, the pratyaya sakara. It is there naturally. It is pratar. Kashikayam etesham shabdanama validatta asti yata. Nis, nir, dus, dur, bagis, avis, chatur, pradus. Pratar also supposedly can add all these. Here we have repa. Sakara is a sakara becomes, because it's a padam, sasadushoruku, by that become nir, dus become dur. Bagis become bagihi, avihi. So atra visargaha, not because of the sakara, pratyaya sakara. So pratyaya bhinna, pratyaya avaya bhinnasya. Etesham antivarna se visargaha desho visargi vartamana sutrena chakaraha vidiyate. The shabdas, if it get this, they get visarga adesha, then by this sutra that will be replaced by mudanya shakara, provided by khaf paucha. Nistata etayogo pradayaha avasanya pradigana nipata sanya bhavati nipata avyaya. But what about bagis and avis? They are in the uryadi, therefore gati sanya. Gati sanya nipata sanya. Bagis ata avis sannigitam vihacharanama bagihi uryadi chidachascha 1461. In the uryadi gana it is there, so gati sanya. Gati sanyas are nipata. Nipata means avyayam. Sarad nipatam avyayam. So many pradus, that is also gati only. Sakshat prabhutini cha 1474. 1474, Sakshat prabhutini is a gana. A lot of words there in the Sakshat prabhutini, etc. So the gana, beginning with Sakshat. So you have many words in that gana, Sakshat prabhutini. We will see the sutra maybe later. So we have Sakshat, Mithya, Chinta, Bhadra, Vibhasha, Asta, Ama, Arte, lot of words are there. They also enjoy Gati Sanya and Gati because it is Aviya. Sakshat Kritya, we say. Sakshat Kritva, Sakshat Kritya. Sakshat Kritya is Gati Sanya. Sakshat Kritva, if it is a Vestapadam, then it is no compound, therefore no Gati there. Okay, so Sakshat Prabhutini, there in that Gana, Pradus, the word is there, therefore all these. Etesham, Sarvesham, Nipata Sanyayam, Satyam. By Swaradi Nipatam, they get Sanya, Avyay Sanya. So you can see the connection with our sutra, what we are discussing now. So Avyat Parasya, Supratyasya Kim Bhavati, Saradi Nipatam Abhiyam, and it is Parvat Dvandutat Purushayogo. Parashabda is Abhiyam Uttarapada. Therefore, what will happen? Avyat Apsapaha Luk Bhavati. Pratelope Pratelakshminena, Avyasya Padattam Nyayate, Jayate. Pratyaya comes and Pratyaya becomes Luk. Pratelope Pratelakshanam, therefore, that Avya is becomes Avyam Padam. Etesham Sakaraha. Now, Padante Vidyamana Asti, therefore, Bagis, etc. All these are Avyam Padam. And Sakara at the end of which. Now, what will happen? Asyamastayam, you can follow these steps. Sasajishorugu and Karavasami Sajaniyaha. By that, Bagis become Bagihi, Pradus become Praduhu, Nis become Nihi, Dus become Duhu. So, therefore, Nir Dur Chatureteshu Shabdeshu, Mula Rupena Yeva, Epahasti. Also, you can know this is another point. Nir Dur this also is there, whereas nirdur mula rupena api vartate repa. It is there. So this repa is not born of room. Please note. If it is nis, then sa sajushoruhu, by that you get nir. Repa is born, that is rutva repa. Whereas mula rupena repa bhavati yata pratar antar. So there mula rupena. Why this is important? Because if it is mula rupena repa asti, so it is different from ru repa. Different from ru repa means if ru repa is what will happen? Ru repa. Bo bahu apurvasya yoshi and all, where we know ru will be replaced by ekara, etc. Right? Yes or no?
Yeah.
What is
Yes, yes.
bo bahu apurvasya yoshi? Remember, once upon a time, long back.
Yeah.
In fact, it is bo bahu apurvasya yoshi. The word in the sutra, if you see, it is bos, agos, sakara is there. Sutra they don't not mention, but it is bos, agos, sakara is there. So what sakara? Padanta sakara. All these are again we will take agos. Sakara will be padanta sakara will be replaced by ru. That is why it is included here. Rogostane yaha yakara desha bhavati ashipare. And bos sakara. Bo it is padanta sakara, sakara is a ru adesh, not nirandal. Nirandal will not cannot happen. I mean, yeah, there is repa is mula rupena vartate, right? Whereas nis can happen. Okay, that is why this is important. This second point, nir iti mula rupena vartate. Therefore, what will happen? Karavasa visadaniyaha iti visarga bhavati anayana prakarena. Therefore, visarga comes karavasa visadaniyaha. Then we can apply this sutra by which you get the form Chakaradesha. So Niskritam, Dushpatakam, Dushpataka. This is also Gati Samasa. How we get Pataka? Pataka is, how we get Pataka? Any idea? That also can be included in our example.
Patati, maybe
Akka,
patati.
Nul prataya.
Exactly. Null pratyaya. Pat
Pataya.
plus null. Pat plus null, what do you get?
Nul. It will become pat because vriddhi will happen.
Yeah. Pat plus null. Because it is net. Therefore, Ato Padayaha.
Ato,
Vritihi. Then who is left out, that is replaced by aka. So path plus aka, pataka. Now this pataka as the what? The purva, it is dur or dus, whatever it is. So what will happen now? By applying this rule, become dush. Dush pataka. What
Dush.
compound is that? Gati. Dur is pradi, right? With the come in kriya yogi, with patadatu. So therefore dush patakam. It's a compound. What compound is this? Gati. Gati samasaha bhavati, right? So similarly here also, bagish kritam. What is bagis? Bagis is what? Gati. How it is gati? It is because the word is included in that word bagis. It's included. If you see Uriya Digana, I think bagis, avis are there. Pradus. In Pradus, they're in Sakshat Parvati Richa, and bagis and avis, you can see they are in Uriya Digana. Uriya Digana in the last class we saw, we'll see again. Uriya Digana, if you see. There we have these words. Uri, Tanti, okay, avis. Here it is, avis, pradus. Okay, sajush. You remember sajus? What is sajus? Sa sajushoruhu, sajushoho. Sajus. Okay, this here, yeah, pradus, avis, bagis is not there, that also can be included. These are in the Uryadi. So because it is in Uryadi, therefore Bagis obviously get a Sanya Gati. Therefore, what will happen? Bagis plus, I just write the compound, not detail, because you know the steps very well. So Bagis iti Gati Shabda, Gati Shabdaha, Subantaha, Kritam iti here Kriya Yogi. That's why it is Gati. Subantena Sakasamasya. Now by this sutra, here Kakara is third letter follows. So Kugati Pradeha by that compound. Here it is a Gati, therefore Abhiyam, Nipatam Abhiyam, Krita plus So Krita plus Am goes away, therefore Krita only. So Bagis Sakara will be replaced by first is Ru, Repa, then it is replaced by Visarga because Kar follows, and by this sutra it will be replaced by Shakara, therefore you get Bagishkrita and Bagishkritam Napumsakalinga. Similarly, Avishkritam. Similarly, Nishkritam. Similarly, Sukritam. So is also Gati. Sushtukritam, Sukritam. Right? Similarly, Sushtu, Uktihi. What do you get? What is Uktihi? Vachdhatu plus Tin Pratyaya. So Sushtu means Su. That's Su, Gati. Kriya Yoge, Vachdhatu. Kiti Pratyaya Pare. It will undergo Samprasahana. U. Chakara will be replaced by Kakara because Jal follows. And the content is T only. Therefore, you get Ukti. So Su plus Ukti. So Su iti Gati because Kriya Yoge. Ukti iti Samartena Subantena Samasyate. The compound is done. And within a compound, Samasa, Samhita Aditya. Therefore, Su plus Ukti, Sukti. Sukti plus Su. Ukti is Shrilinga. Therefore, Sukti is. You can say Sukti. Or Suktam also possible. Suppose if it is Sushtu Uktam. Vach plus Ta Pratyaya. Same thing. Sushtu Uktam. So iti Gati because Kriya Yoge Vach. Then Ta Pratyaya. Samprasanam happens. Vach Dhatoho. Vach is a, Vach is Swapiya Jajadinam Kiti Pratyaya Pare. By that Samprasanam. You know all those things. Then Chogo Kuku Kuttam. Then Ta Pratyaya. Ta. Therefore Ukta. So Su plus Ukta. What compound? Ugati Pradeha by that. It is Gati Samasa. Then Samhita Nitya. Therefore Sukta plus Suktam. Understand?
Yes.
So similarly, Pradus. Pradus Taksha. Pradus also Gati Sanya. So Pradus plus Pitam. So that also I will add. Pradu, the word. Pradus, the word is there. It is a Gati Sanya. So therefore, Pradus plus Pitam. Kafo, Cha, Pakara for the Pitam is there. Therefore, Sakara. If any other word is there, this will not become. Please note. Only Kakha Papa. Then this will be replaced by Shakara, Pradus Pitam. This is an Apavada to Kufo Kafocha. If it is Idupada, generally what we say, Kupo Kafocha. If Pakara or Kakara follows, Visarga Syastane Arda Visargaha. Optionally, it could be Jigvamuliya if it is Kakha follows or Upadbaniya. But if it is Idupadasya, the choice there. Kupo Kafocha, that Kakha Papa follows, that Idupadasya, Udupadasya, Pratyavaya Bindasya Sakarasya, that Sakara which is undergone changes because become Visarga, that Visarga will be replaced by Udani Shakara. Okay. Then Nir plus Pitam, Nishpitam, Dush plus Dushkrityam, Chatur plus Kapalam, Chatur also, Repa, Chatush Kapalam. Okay. So all these, for example, okay, this is incidental thing. So all these are gati compounds. Even you can say sushtu, subhashitam, su plus bhashitam, sushtu bhashitam. So all these are gati samasa. Similar other example, pranayakaha. Already this example we saw. Prakarshena nayati. Eha nayati saha. Pra plus nayaka, ni plus nul prataya. Ni become nai, then nai become nai plus saka, nayaka. Pranayakaha. Gati and enjoys upasarga sanya for causing natvam. That's why natvam, nakara has become. So all these are gati samasa. So because it is association with the kriya, that pradeyaha, therefore it enjoys gati sanya for the sake of forming compound, and upasarga sanya for causing natvam, shatvam, etc. Right? You follow?
Yes. But only natvam happens only in case of upasarga only.
Yeah, upasarga sthita, yes.
Okay, that pra should be used as a upasarga, then only that prana.
Enjoys, because we have a sutra 8.4. You see 8.4 sutra 8.4 3, I think. 4, okay, not 3. Yeah, 14. Upasargat asamase api no padeshasya. 8.3.14. Upasargat asamase api no padeshasya. So not even in a compound. It means in a compound also it can happen. See that sutra. Upasargat asamase api no padeshasya. Asmin dhatu औपदेशिक विस्तायां नकारः अस्ति तस्य नकारस्य नत्वनिमित्तात् उपसर्गात् परः नकारः भवति उपसर्गस्थ रेपशकार ऋकारेण धातौ तस्य नकारस्य नत्वं कदा भवति तस्मिन् विषये अनेन सूत्रेण सिद्धान्तः प्रोक्तः अस्ति उपसर्गः स्वयं पदसंज्ञां स्वीकुर्वन्ति राइट उपसर्गः तु अव्ययपदं उपसर्गः प्लस धातु therefore टु पदद्वयम् अस्ति दशाभ्यां नोनः समानपदे इति उपसर्गस्य योगे धातोः नत्वं भवितुं न शक्यते because yes samanapade is said but upasarga is individual padam and dhatu is another padam, so therefore not samanapadam. Therefore this sutra says upasargasya yoge dhatu kada natvam vidiyate etat svashtikritum asya sutram nirmanam kritam asti kimuchyate anena sutrena dhatu sitasya dantyanakarasya tada eva natvam bhavati kada yada सः नकारः धातोः औपदेशिक अवस्थायां नकार रूपेण उक्तः अस्ति. So even in our example pranayakah, that it was originally ninj dhatu, ninj alone become ni, and ni alone then ni dante nakara, right? Dhatu adeshe nonaha. So aupadeshika avasthayam that dhatoh yaga nakara asti, that nakara, because that nakara will become dante nakara when we use in the language. That's when ayati you get. So that nakara again will go get more than nakara when the nimitta is there in the upasarga. Kim nama upadeshika avastha sarve dhatavah yatha dhatupani dattaha tasmin rupe upadesha namnaha. Example ninj dhatu, ninj, nadi, etc. So you can see here giving an example. Vandu dhatu. Okay, you can skip that. So all these are upadeshika. So upadeshika avastha yadi dhatu adu nakara asti targi no naha. धात्वादेः नोनः भजत् सूत्र दन्त्य आदेश दन्त्य नकार आदेश भवति एतादृशः यः नकारः तस्य एव वर्तमानसूत्रेण नत्वं भवति अन्यस्य नकारस्य न. So ni dhatu, this ninj properly originally just become ni dhatoh, I mean nonah by that sutra. Therefore para plus ni now upasarga sita that repa causes natvam to this dante nakara which was originally mudani nakara upadeshika avastha. So para ayati iti rupam. Similarly nam pranamati nam dhatu pra plus nam यदि धातौ औपदेशिकावस्थायां नकारः नास्ति तर्हि वर्तमानसूत्रे नत्वं भवति. Example, pra plus nar, pranarudati. Why natvam has not happened? Because औपदेशिकावस्थायां here this nakara is danti nakara only. Now अस्मिन् सूत्रे असमासे इति किमर्थम् उक्तम्? अस्मिन् सूत्रे आचार्येण पूर्वपदादिति एतस्य अनुवृत्ति कृता अस्ति. सामान्यरूपेण पूर्वपद अयं शब्दः समासविषये एव भवति. विषये पूर्वपदा it will be only in samasa vishaya. Why purvapada? Where is purvapada? Purvapada is in 843. You see the sutra 843. Purvapada sanyayam agaha goes at anuvritti up to 13th sutra. Our sutra is 14. So Purvapada is there one in compound. Purvapadam Uttarapadam. Samanya rupena Purvapadam I am shabda samasa vishaya eva prayujyate. So Pura अस्मिन् सूत्रे आचार्येण by acharya पूर्वपदादिति अनुवृत्ति कृता अस्ति. Even though in the sutra pata it goes up to 13, but acharya that he brings as anuvritti for this sutra. Okay, पूर्वपद and पूर्वपद उत्तरपद only in the case of compound. परन्तु अस्य अत्र अस्य शब्दस्य प्रयोगः केवलं उपसर्गं निर्देशितुं कृतः अस्ति. समस्तपदं न. एतत् स्पष्टीकर्तुम् असमासे इति प्रयुक्तम् अस्ति. यत्र प्रादिगणस्य शब्दः उपसर्गसंज्ञां स्वीकरोति तत्र अनेन सूत्रेण नत्वं विधीयते. अन्येन ज्ञातव्यं कैन नोट तत्र प्रणायकः अत्र प्र इति उपसर्गसंज्ञा नास्ति. अतः वर्तमानसूत्रेण नत्वं न भवति. Here this is different. Why here it is happened? Because here it is pra is not upasarga. Because it is pranayakah is pragatah nayakah asma deshat, the compound, Bhagavati compound. That pra is not upasarga because it is not association with ni dhatu. It is association with gata, gam dhatu. We have seen that example already. Remember in the notes we have, it's there. Pragatah nayakah. So pra
Yes.
gataha.
Yeah, yes.
So pra is not association with ni. It is gam dhatu. Therefore here pra is not upasarga. Therefore natvam na bhavati here. Pranayakah. Whereas Pranayakah, the other example, it can happen because pra plus ni only. So pradiganasya shabdah upasarga sanyam swikuranti tatra eva natva vidiyate. So here pra is there. Here this is pradigana. Pradayah kriya yoge upasargaha. It is upasarga sanya. And it upasarga sanya is therefore by the sutra it crosses natvam pranayakah. The last slide if you see. Yatra pradiganasya. So pra is in pradigana. Upasarga sanyayam swikuranti. Not for forming a compound. Upasarga, that is for forming a compound is that for forming a compound enjoys gati sanya. But natvam, for natvam swikuranti. Tatra eva anena sutre natvam vidiyate. Okay. So why asamase is asamase api means upasarga sthita. That is why he says upasarga sthita. When the Purapadam has a sanya upasarga, when it is upasarga, then natvam it happens. If it is a gati, then compounding. Asamase api. Okay. By this sutra, only here natvam has happened. Pranayakaha. In fact, this sutra, this pranayakaha, we have discussed it before. Under the context.
उपसर्ग क्रिया योगी.
Huh? Which sutra?
1459.
So, there I have written my notes that my teacher gave. Yeah, here it is.
84, is it 8414? Upasarga samasya.
Yeah, this is the one. Pra gets a sanya upasarga within association with the verb. The delta nakara is changed to nakara because pra getting a sanya of upasarga. Pranayakaha by the sutra upasarga. That's what I said. Upasarga sanya is required for causing natva. asamase api, even when it is not a compound. And why here it is not pranayakaha? Prakashena nayati gati samasa. Pra enjoys gati sanya, therefore gati samasa. Pra enjoys upasarga sanya for causing natvam, therefore no padeshasya. Dhatoho again natvam bhavati. And here it is example. Pranayakaha deshaha. Here the compound is different. This compound, pranayakaha, if it is more than nakara, prakarshena nayati iti, the karta is referred to, pointed at. Pranayakaha. But here is pragataha nayakaha asma desha, referring to the desha, not to the not the person. So here pra is an association with gam, not neither. Therefore, atra nayana kriyaya saha prashabdasya yogaha nasti iti hetoho upasarga sanya na bhavati. Therefore, upasarga sanya not enjoyed. Therefore, pranayaka desha. Nayana kriya is not connected with the pradinipata. Therefore, kriya yoga not being satisfied, pra will not enjoy upasarga sanya. Therefore, natvam cannot be applied by the sutra. Therefore, thus, while pranayakaha means a leader, whereas pranayakaha means the country without a leader, from which the leader has gone. Pra is one pra is upasarga, in other, the pra is just a nipata, aviya. Okay. Fine. Now, coming back.
Gee, sorry, I have a doubt.
Yes. Which where?
If it is agata, there we are telling it is avyayat apsupaha sulopaha bhavati.
No, not agata sulopa bhavati. Agata is not aviya. Gata is not aviya. Agataha only I said. Avyayat apsupaha loop is only for prakritya. Where pra is rabiyam, kritva is also rabiyam.
Prakritya. Right.
Mhm.
There only.
There it is aviya. In fact, some people they say, so here I said, pra iti enjoys gati because association with the kriya. So this is pra is a aviyam padam, so it is a padam, subantam padam. Some people say kritva, first you can form kritva, kru plus tva pratyaya kritva plus su is tva tosum kasunaha, by that it is aviyam, therefore su lopah bhavati, kritva only. So pra iti subantam padam, kritva iti samartena subantena saha samasiti samasaka bhavati. Iti some people say. Other people say that pra plus pra is this gati association with kriya, they combine with tva. Both way you can look, it's not a problem. Combine with tva. Pra plus kru plus tva. Pra plus kru plus tva. Here, the uttara pada is not even a padam. It is only in the pratipadika avastha. Kru plus tva is krutva, it is pratipadika avastha. So pra is like upapada samasa. Upapada samasa, remember, kumbha plus sam plus kru plus and only I said. Similarly here. So uttara padam not even a pratipadika. Not even uttara padam is not a padam. Only it is in the pratipadika avastha. So pra iti padam, uttara pada, it's not a padam. Sorry, it's not a padam. It is only the pratipadika avastha, where kru dhatu is there and the dikrit pratyaya. So combines. So yeah, that is sakshat kriya yoga is there. So therefore, it is gati. Therefore, we can form a compound. Either way, you can take kru plus tva. First, you can combine from a subanta and the pra combines with that. Or you can take pra as gati, kriya yoge kru, then this the sense of tva. Tva means, kriyayam, kriyartayam, by the tva pratyaya is added. Tva pratyaya is added to the dhatu. When it combines with the pratipadikam here, you can take it as a pratipadikam and then combine from dhatu. Now the whole thing is a pratipadikam. And prakritya is the lyap has come in the place of tva. Right? Tva tosan kasunaha, it is aviyam. Therefore, prakritya is also aviyam. Therefore, prakritya being aviyam, the supratyaya when you add, what will happen? Avyat apsupaha luk bhavati, becomes lopaha. I think that is your doubt. How Su becomes Lopaha? Because Prakritya is Avyayam, therefore Su becomes Lopaha.
No,
Agataha
my
is
doubt is Prakritiya is Avyayam, Su becomes Lopaha. This Agata Gam plus Ta means Gatha is no. Ta Pratyaya means it should be Avyayam.
no. Ta Pratyaya is Avyayam. Now we have, how can you say Ta Pratyaya is Avyayam? Huh? We have seen Nishta Pratyaya.
Oh,
So
Nishta.
many
Okay,
forms of the
okay,
words
Ji.
in the Gita.
No,
Huh?
sorry, Ji. No.
Ta is Avyayam means then Patitavan, Patitavanto, Patitavantaha, Tavatu. How can you decline? Huh?
Okay,
Gataha, Gato, Gataha, Gatam, Gato, Gatana, Gatena, Gatabhyam, Gatehi. Right?
yeah, it
Gatam,
is
Gate,
Nishta
Gatani.
Pratyaya. I totally
Nishta
missed it.
Pratyaya is not Avyaya. If it's Avyaya, then you have to tell why what sutra is Avyaya. There is no sutra. Only Svat, Tosan, Tosanaha, okay. But to know Avyaya or not, please check the sutra in the first chapter, first section. Swaradi Nipatam Avyayam. But Avyayam goes as Anuvritti for the successive sutra. There you please see what all the Avyayam. Avyayam goes up to 41. Tva is Avyayam, therefore anything which replaces, that also Avyayam only. So Lep replaces Tva, therefore Lebanta also Avyayam. Tosun Kasunaha, that also Avyayam. Krinme Jantaha, what is Krinme Jantaha? Krit. Krinme Jantaha. Ejantaha. Ejantaha is Krit, then Makara, Makara and Ejanta. So the Krit Pratyas are there. Makaranta or Ejanta Krit Pratyaya, they also get Avyasanya. Like Tumun. Tumun ending with what letter? Makara. Therefore it is Avyayam.
Avyaya.
Tumanantas are Avyaya. You can see here. Makaranta or Ejanta. Ejanta, we have some words like signs, some words, some sutram is there, which is, anyway, that we don't, yeah, this is the one. Say, Sena, Sena, this is 349. So, in the 349, if you see all these words, you will see ending with Ejanta. Say, Sen, Ase, sorry. Ase, Se, Kasen, Adyay, Adyain, Ejanta. All these are Ejanta. Ejantaha, Kridantaha, this is Kridanta. How do you know Kridanta? See the section 349. It is all Kridanta. Kridantas are Krit Ating. They are not Ating, they are not Ting. Therefore, they are all Pratyas. What Pratyas? Krit Pratyas. So for Kridantaha, Ejanta Kridantaha, Avyayam, and also Kridbe Jantaha by Makara also. Example, Tumun, etc. They are also Avyayam. So therefore, Tuman Pratyaya, Kamul Pratyaya, Namul Pratyaya. Okay. So all these Kridantas, Ejanta, Kridantaha, Avyayam Bhavati, that is 39. Twatosan Kasunaha, Avyayam Bhavasya also already we know, Avyayam. And Taditascha Asarva Bhakti, that is also Avyayam. That we will see in Tadita. We have the words. So certain words are used only in particular meaning. For example, Itaha, Ataha, Avyayam. What is Ataha? Ataha is, Itaha is from here. Yasmat, sorry, that is Yataha. Itaha is Asmat, becomes, that is replaced by E. We have got Itaha, Iha. Only in that, Iha is Adhikarnarthe. Tatra Adhikarnarthe, Tral Pratyaya. All these are Abhiyam. Taditascha Asarva Vibhaktihi. So, Tadita, which Tadita Pratyayanta Shabda, which is not used in all the Vibhakti, they also get the Sanya. Abhiyam, like the examples. Yasma Tadita Shabdanta Sarve Vibhakteyaha na bhavanti. They also get the Sanya. You'll see that in detail later. So get the Sanya. Like Tasil Pratyaya. Tasil Pratyaya is Vidyalayataha. You say no? Vidyalaya Saha Agachati. Vidyalayataha, you can say Tasil Pratyaya. That is Abhiyam. Sudamataha, Imavattaha. Only in Panchami Arte that Tasil Pratyaya is used, and that is Abhi. That is why Asarva Vibhaktihi is that the sutra. Panchamyas Tasil. Tataha, Yataha, all this. Yatra Kutra, third Pratyaya. So, etra kutra is tral. Tral in the sense of adhikarana. So only in that sense, saptami arte, the tral pratyaya is used. So all these are avya. So this avyam is there in this section only. So 1137 to 141. These are the avya. There are no other avyas. Okay. In fact, avya is a separate topic. We will see. So swaradi, the words of the swaradi gana, and the nipata. Nipata is pragdirishvara nipata, Havasutra 1/4 section. All the words in that. Adhikara, pragrishvara nipataha, the words in that adhikara, they enjoy the sangya. So this is itself a huge list. Then tadita vibhakti pratyanta shabda, which is not used in all the vibhaktis. That is also aviya. Then kritanta, which are akaranta, rejanta, are aviya. Tvatos and kosunaha, tva pratyanta, which implies a lepa also, aviya. Avibhavas aviyam, you know. Only these are aviya. Therefore, prakritya is kritya. Kritya is avyam. Kritva is avyam. Kritya is avyam. Stanivat bhavati. Stanivat adesha. Whatever property is there. Kritva being avyaya. Kritya also must be avyaya. Stanivat. So prakritya is avyaya. Therefore, su lopa bhavati avyat apsataha. Whereas gata, no. Gata is declinable. Okay. Understand, right?
Yes, yes.
So therefore, you can all these are example for Gati Samasa, but Gati Samasa is not over. Gati Samasa extended to the words beyond Pradayaha by the sutras which comes after Gatischa 1/4, Uryadi onwards. Last class, in fact, we started with Uryadi. Now we begin there. Already it is 1:30. Okay. Uryadi, Chidachascha, Uryadi Gana. So here we will see Uryadi Gana. We'll take, already I've done one, explain that further. Uri, etc. The words in the Uryadi Gana. And the three things are there. Chvi. Chvi is what? What is Chvi? We know Chvi. What is Chvi? Abhuta Tadbhave. Chvi Pratyaya. Chvi Pratyaya is Abhuta Tadbhave added to the dhatu. Kribhasti yoge sampadhi kartari. Remember? Ashuklam Shukli Karoti. That which is. So Chvi Pratyaya. Chvi Pratyaya, the content is 0. Chvi Pratyaya. Chvi Pratyaya is, it is 0 suffix. And Dajanta also. We have to see the examples. Now, Chviyanta, Dajanta, we have to see. When in composition with Bu, Kr, As. This is important. We'll see. So, Chvi, Dachoho, Kribhasti yoge Vidanam. See, note. Chvi Pratyaya and Dach Pratyaya, they will come, they are ordained only after, Kr, Bu, As, the three dhatus. He says Shukli Kritya, Shukli Bhutva, like that, okay. Kr is Kr dhatu, Bu is Bu dhatu, and As dhatu. So, Uri, etc., that is Puryadikara words, and a Chviyanta, that which end with Chvi Pratyaya, and that which end with Dach Pratyaya, the word, which is in composition with the verb Kr, Bu, As, that is understood. Chvi Pratyaya, the word which takes Chvi Pratyaya will be in association with either one of the dhatu, Kr, Bu, or As. Similarly, the word which takes Dach Pratyaya will be in association with one of the verb, Kr, Bu, or As. We will see, you will understand the example. Okay, so the Kr, Bu, that yoga is for Chvi Pratyayanta Shabda and Dach Pratyayanta Shabda. Not for Uri. Uri is the words which are in the Uryadikara. Now take the example. Last class I gave this example. Uri. Uryadikara, the first word is Uri. So the Uryadikara, the first word being Uri, Uri Kritva, Uri Kritya. So here, Uri iti, by the sutra Urya, the Chida gesture, enjoy sanya, gati. This Uri, Urari, all these are used in sense of, the sense of extension, extending, vistara, or svikrita, angikara. In that meaning, they are used. So Uri Kritya, Urari Kritya means accepting Uri Kritya or Vistritya. Can see here. Sutra is 1-4. Uri Kritya 61. Chvi Pratyanta. Uryadiganasya Chvi Pratya. Uryadiganasya Shabdaha. Chvi Pratyanta Shabdaha. Dach Pratyanta Shabdaha. Gati Sanyakaha Bhavanti. So here, all these words, Uri, Urari, Tanti, Vali, all these are Uryadigana. So Uri Krita Etesham Sarvesham Shabdanam Kriya Yoge by Gati Kriya Yoge Gatisya Kamya Tanuvrutti, they get Gati Sanya. So once it is Gati Sanya, by Kugati Pradayaha, Etesham Krudantai Saha Samasaha Bhavati Gati Samasaha. Can call Upapada Samasa loosely, Gati Samasa. So Kru plus Uri plus Kru plus Ta, Uri Krita. You can see Kru plus Ta, Uri Krita. Kritva. Yep, Uri Kritya also. That's the example I gave, in fact. Uri Urari, Uri Shabdaha, Angikaranam is Asmin Arte Prayujyate. Therefore, I said Uri Karoti means here Uri is Uri Karoti. Here Uri is Gati, but not a compound. This is not Upasarga. Please note. Here Uri is not Upasarga. Gatischa Kriya Yoge, by that enjoys a Gati, but not a compound, not Gati Samasa. Because Tinganta, Uri Karoti means Angi Karoti, Sri Karoti Ityartaha. Also, it can mean Vistaraha, Urari. Okay, that is Urari. Urari means Vistaraha. Urari Karoti means Vistaram Karoti, Vistranati Ityartaha. Okay, now let us take this. We'll read this on the website later. Let me explain this. Now let us take Uri iti Gati Shabda. Now combining with, yeah, it's coming in the sense of Angi Karoti. This word, Uryadigana word, now, which is Uryadigana, this Gati Sanya, which is not only Gati Sanya, it is the Sanya of Nipata, Vyaya Sanya, all the Sanyas are there. Now it combines with Krutva. Krutva iti, Uri iti Subantam Padam, Krutva iti Subantena Saka Samasyate. Krutva is Aviyam. Therefore, Aviya Tapsupaha, look, by that becomes look. But anyway, for the sake of Alaukika Vigraha, I'm just adding Su. So this is Pratipadikam. Supodhatu Pratipadikayo look Bhavati. So look Krutva, Su goes away. Therefore, Uri. Now, what is this Uri? Uri is not Upasarga. It is Upapadam. It is Upapadam. And it's a compound. Therefore, Samase, Ananj Purve, Tva, Leb Bhavati by that sutra. 7147, I think. No. Samase, Ananj Purve. 7137. By that sutra. Twa is replaced by Lyap. Lyap is Krit Pratyaya. Rasvasya Kritipiti Tuk. By that Tukka Khama, that is by the sutra. Rasvasya Kritipiti Tuk. 6173, I think. 33 or 72.
6171.
71.
Yeah.
6171. By the Tukka Khama, therefore Uri Kritya, get form. And Uri Kritya, now Uri Kritya is here. Pratipadikam, therefore Supratya can be added. And Uri Kritya is, it is Levantaha, like Twa Tosun Kasunaha, Twa Pratyantaha, Levantaha, Avayam Bhavati. Therefore, Avayat Apsupaha, look Bhavati. So pratyaya is added, and by the Sutra 2.4, 80, 2.481, Avyatapsapaha, look, right? 882, I think. Yeah. Look, Bhavati. Therefore, Uri Kritya. Similarly, we can have Uri Kritya, Urari Kritya, Sri Kritya, all these words. What about Uri Karoti? Uri Karoti, there it is, it's not a compound. So, there it is, Uri enjoys the Gati Sanya, but not a Samasa. Right? So, Uri Karoti, Urari Karoti, here, in the case of non-compounds, this Gati Vachaka Shabda, Uri etc. they are Gati. That should be placed. Why Uri comes here? Why not before? Because Te Prag Dhatoho, by that sutra, Gati, Sanyaka Shabdaha, they should be placed Dhatoho Prag. Uri Karoti. Can say Uri Karoti, Uri Karoti, Urari Karoti, like this. But it's not a compound because it is Tinganta. So this is this example for Uryadi. Now you see that Uryadi, the example given in the Sutra, Uryadi Tvida. First Uryadi we will see, and then Chi Pratyanta and Dash Pratyanta we will see. So Uri Kritya, Urari Kritya, all these are compound. Avish Kritya, Pradush. So all this we can make compound. Etesham Sarvesham Api Shabdanam Prakrita Sutrena, Uryadi etc. by the following by the sutra they get Gati Sanya. So Gati Sanyayam Satyam, we can make a compound by Gati Pratayah, this Samasaha Bhavati. Gati Samasaha. Eta Uri plus Kru plus Ta. I give the example of Krutva. You can use Ta also. So Uri, Kriya, Uri is Gati Sanya. Uri, the word which is in Uryadigana enjoys Gati Sanya, Kriya Yogi. Kriya Yogi enjoys Gati Sanya. Please note. In association with the Kriya, and the Kriya could be the Tinganta Rupam or Kridanta Rupam. Here Ta is Kridanta Rupam. So Kriya Yogi, that is important because Kriya Yogi, its Anuvritti is there for the Sutra, Uryadi Chida Chascha. Please see. Kriya Yogi. Not independently, it is Gati. Uryadi Kriya Yogi. So therefore, Uri plus Krita or Kritya, whatever it is. So Kriya Yogi can the Gati is Sanya. Therefore, by Kugati Pradeha, Gati Samasa, Uri Krita. Krita is not Avya, therefore it is declinable. Because it is a Gati Samasa, Tat Purushaha, Kugati Pradeha, Tat Purushaha. Therefore, Paravat Villingam, Danda Tat Purushayoho. Therefore, in keeping the gender of the Uttarapadam, Uri Kritam, Uri Kritaha, of course, that depends on the context. Similarly, Urari Budhatu. Similarly, Papi. Papi is also the word is there in the Gati. Gati in the word Uryadigana. Therefore, Papi Kritaha. Papi Krita, Papi Kritya, Papi Bhuta, Papi Bhutva. All those things you can say. You can make. Kincha Tvapratyanta Shabdena Saga Yetadasham Samasakata Bhavati. This is what we saw. There what we apply is Samase Ananj Purve Tva Yep Tol Yep Bhavati Ityanena Tvapratyasya Sthane Yep Adesha Bhavati. There we get Uri Kritya, Urari Kritya, Papi Bhuya. Now all these things are possible. Okay. Then Uryadiganasya Keshanchana Shabdanam Artavaga Pranathan Kashika Karana Kanichana Ganasutrani Ati Patitani Santi. Like Uryadi, all this Uri, Urari, they are in the use and sense of Angikaranam or Vistara. Number one. Shakala Dayaha, they are in the sense of Himsa. Shakala, Sam Shakala, Tam Sakala, Brahm Sakala. Ete Chatvara Shabdaha Himsarte Prayujante. Shakala Karoti. Here Shakala is Shakala Karoti. Gati, not Upasarga. Gati, and this is not a compound. Karoti. Similarly, some shakala karoti, dum shakala karoti, dum shakala karoti. Meaning imsam karoti ityartha. Then gula gudha pidarte, this word in the sense of pida. Gula gudha karoti means pidam karoti, not a compound. It is gula gudha karoti. The gula gudha is gati. Gati means not gati compound. We have to say the uttara padam. If it is here, it is tinganta, but not compound. Similarly, sajuhu, saharte, saha asminarte, sajuhu karoti, kenachit saha karoti. Palu, pali, vikli, akli, iti vikare, vikli. Vikara means it don't go change, parivartanam. Asminarte prayujante. Palu karoti, pali karoti, vikli karoti. Vikli karoti, the rice is turned that into the odanam. Tandula to odanam, vikli, parivartanam bhavati. Similarly, aloshti, kevali, kevasi, sevasi, pariyali, shevali, varshali, atyumasha, mashmasha, masmasa, vasamasa, ete, sarve imsaya marte. Imsam, masamasa karoti. You can use imsam karoti means masamasa karoti. Gane vidyamananam anye shabdanam ganasutraihi na diyante ataha koshe datteshu arteshu eva tesham prayoga karaniya. This is about the Buryadi Gana words. Okay, any doubt is there?
No.
No, sir.
And the next one is Chvi. What is Chvi? Chvi iti kaschana pratyaya. What pratyaya? Tatita pratyaya. Chakara is iti letter and veghe praktasya. By that sutra, we also goes away, therefore zero suffix. But it does something. It is used in some meaning. Abhuta tadbhave. Abhuta tadbhava, that which was not is made that. Abhuta tadbhava. Krib asti yoge. That is important. Krib asti yoge. Sampadya kartari. Ityanena ayam pratyaya. Pratipadikebhyaha. Important. Pratipadikebhyaha. Kribu astatoho yoge. Abhuta tadbhava siddhadeshartam. So this also. Aksya pratyasya prayogena. Gati sanyaka shabdaha siddhyanti. So gati shabdas are not there, but Chvi pratyanta shabda. Asya pratyase prayogena. You get gati sanyaka shabdaha. I'll give the example and then we can come and read. Okay, I'll do it here. Chvi pratyanta. Next one. Chvi pratyanta. Example. You take Chvi pratyanta word. Chvi pratyantaha gati sanyakaha bhavanti. That's what it says. Chvi pratyantaha gati sanyakaha bhavanti. Udaharanam we'll see. Udaharanam. Now, this ashuklaha, that which is not white. Ashuklaha, shuklaha, sampadyate. Ashuklaha, shuklaha sampadyate. Now, ashukla, tam krutva, kim krutva, tam krutva, ashuklaha, shuklam krutva. So, tam krutva, that's what we are going to form. Tam krutva is shuklam krutva. Shuklam, ashuklam, shuklam krutva. It's understood. That which is not shukla is made shukla. So, ashuklam, shuklam krutva. So that's meaning. Now, shuklam krutva kribu asti yogi. So that which is not shukla is made into abhuta tadbhave. Therefore, in that, what happens? Shuklam krutva. Therefore, shukla plus and this Chvi pratyaya is used. Kribu asti yogi sampadya kartari. So shuklam krutva is what we are going to compound. And shuklam is that which is not shuklam. Ashuklam krutva. The shukla is shukla plus and the kru is kru plus tva pratyaya. Now, abhuta tadbhave, by that, abhuta tadbhave, kribasti yoge, abhuta tadbhave, what will happen? That word shukla will get shi pratyaya. Abhuta tadbhave, kribu asti yoge, sampadya kartari. Shi pratyaya is added to shukla. Now, this shukla plus krutva, this is a compound. Abhuta tadbhave, that which is not shukla is made into shukla. The shukla, now this is a pratipadikam, supodhatu pratipadike. Look, you can remove the pratyaya, therefore shukla plus krutva. The whole thing is a pratipadikam. Now shukla plus, now what happens is, now you need to add the chi pratyaya. Shukla plus shukla plus chi plus krutva. So this abhuta tadbhave shuklam, abhuta tadbhave shuklam, here shuklam, shukla plus plus chi, here itself you need to add chi pratyaya. The whole thing is a pratipadikam, then will goes away. Now chi pratyaya, when you had chi pratyaya, the content is 0. Goes away because supodhatu pratipadika can make pratyaya becomes lopaha, and shukla is the chi pratyaya is added. Chi pratyaya is 0 suffix, but what this chi does, there's an angakarya happening because of chi. That is, the akara of the shukla will be replaced by ikara, shukli, and shri is vehya pruktasya. By that it is 0 content, 0 suffix, it goes away, shukli. Now shukli krutva is there, plus tva samase ananch purve tva lyap. By that sutra, tva will be replaced by lyap. Therefore you get shukli krutya. Tva will be replaced by lyap. Okay, then that will be like that. Then lyap pratyaya follows, therefore tukahava. Therefore you get shukli krutya. So ashuklam shukli karoti becomes shukli krutya. Now shukli krutya is krutya abhiyam prat wasn't kasanaha. So therefore shukli krutya is abhiya samase abhiyat apsupaha. By that shukli krutya, you get shukli krutya. You get the form shukli krutya. Now how this akara becomes ikara? Let us see that. Shri pratyaya is first is 0 suffix. Sampadya kartari, abhuta tadbhave sampadya kartari chi. You see this sutra. Abhuta purvasya vikara sampadana kriyate chet. Vikaravachi. Vikaravachi means that which has undergone that change. With that word, kribu as iti etesham yoge. Here krutva is therefore in the example. Then swarte chi pratyaha vikaravachi shabdat paraha bhavati. So ashuklam is before. That becomes shukla, vikara. So vikaravachi is shukla. Abhuta purvasya, na bhuta purvasya, which was not present before. Now it is undergoes change, and that change is accomplished. And the change is accomplished, therefore it becomes shukli, and shukla is the vikara. The vikaravachi shabdat, chi pratyaha bhavati, when that vikaravachi shabda in association with kru, bhu, tata, as, etesham yoge. And chi pratyaya is swarte, is added to vikaravachi shabda. Yeah, ashuklam becomes shukla. So shukla is a vikara vachi shabda. So to that chi pratyaya is added. Shukla plus chi. Yes, see the steps. Shukla plus tree. Shukla plus tree. It's just saying Abhuta Tadbhave. So, and Vehe Apraktasya, by that, Pakarasya Lopaha Bhavati. Then we have the sutra, Asya Cho. Cho Pare. Then Akaraha Adesha Bhavati. Ikarasya Adesha Bhavati, Akarasya Sthane. This is 7432. When Chi Pratyaya follows, Akara of the Anga will be replaced by Ikara. Therefore, Shukli you get. Of course, the Vakara is, Chi is, Veha Apraktasya, that goes away. Sarva Para Lopaha. Therefore, Shukli. Therefore, Shukli Karoti. Shukli Bhavati. Shukli Syat. Devadattaha Ashuklam Gatam Shukli Karoti. Ashuklaka Gataha Shukli Bhavati. Ashuklaka Gataha Shukli Syat. So you can say Kr, Bu, As, Yoge, the Vikaravachi Shabdat, Shi Pratyaya Bhavati, and the result out of the Karya, it is done. Abhuta Vikarasya. Abhuta Vikarasya means Shukla is Abhuta. The beginning it is not there. Abhuta. Tasya Sampadanam Kriyate. Kata iti anena Shuklatvam Labhyate che. Then Vikaravati Shabda is Shukla. Tasmat Shabdat Krubu Asti Yoge Vikaravati Shabdat Shi Pratyaha Bhavati Padita Pratyaha Bhavati. Krubu Tata Asitesham Yoge Shuklaha Sampadyate. This Tam Karoti. That is why in the beginning I said Tam Krutva, Tam Karoti. Shuklaha Sampadyate. Tam Karoti. Shuklaha Bhavati. Shuklaha Syat. Shuklaha iti asmineva arte eva swarte eva. Chi Pratyaha. Chi iti Pratyaha tasya chakarasya git vehe pratyasya api. Therefore, 0 suffix. Atra kaschana visheshaga smartavyaha. Atra sutrasya vishaya vigrahavakyeshu sampadyate sampadyamanaha. We use this vigrahavakyya. Eteyo shabdyoho vigrahavakyata. Ashuklaha gataha shuklaha sampadyate. Vigrahavakyya. Ashuklam gatam Shukli Karoti. Shukli Karoti, when we say, the Vigrahavakyya is Ashukla Gataha, Shuklaha Sampadyate, or Ashukla Gataha, Shuklaha Sampadyamanaha Bhavati. Either way you can say, or Ashuklaha Gataha, Shuklaha Sampadyamanaha Syat. So Shukli Karoti, for that Vigrahavakyya is. Shukli Karoti, Shukli is, it is Gati, but here it is not a compound. Shukli Karoti, because it is a Tinganta. Kriya Yoga is Tinganta. Whereas now we are saying compound. Therefore, Shukli Kritya, Shukli Bhuya, Shukli, you can say, like Bhuya. Bhuya is Asdhatu also Bhuya, Budhatu also Bhuya only. Shukli Kritya. Okay, the same way we can form compound. Ashuklam, Shuklaha, Sampadyamanaha, Sampadyamanaha Bhavati. That, if you say, make it a compound, then becomes the same step. Shukli, then Budhat, Vu plus Tva. Kriya Yoge, Tva Pratyanta. And it is because Samase, Anajpurve, therefore Tva will become Lyap. And here it is not Rasvase, therefore no Tukka Hava. Therefore you get Shukli Bhuya. So Shukli Bhuya, Shukli is Chi Pratyanta Shabda. Abhuta Tadbhave Sampaddikartri, Chi Bhavati, Vikaravachi Shabdat, and Kribu Astiti Yoge, Chi Pratyaha Bhavati. So that is what the Chi Pratyanta Shabda, get the Sanya Gati by the Sutra, Uryadi Chi Dachascha, by that Gati Sanya. Therefore, this is Gati Samasa. Shukli iti Gati Sanyaka Shabda, now Bhuya, Bhutva iti Samartena, Pratyanta. The beginning is Bhutva. Subantena, Saha, Samasyate, right? Samasaha Bhavati. So Shukli Bhuya. Similarly, Avir Bhuya. Avir Bhuya. Like that we can make. That which is not Krishna. That which is not Krishna, it becomes Krishna. That which is not black, it just becomes black. Then what would be the form? You can say it is easy. That which is not Krishna is made Krishna. What is the compound? Akrishnah, Krishnah sampadyate. What's the compound?
Krishni.
Krishni.
Bhuya.
It becomes Krishni. Krishni Kritya or Krishni Bhuya, right? Akrishnaha, Krishni Kritya. Simple. So like that we can make the compound. Okay, all these are Chi Pratyanta Gati Sanyaka Shabda forming a compound. All these are example for Gati Samasa. Okay. In this is Tadita Sutra. There is nothing to do with some compound here. Compound we just need Chit only. And here we give other examples also. Akumbaha, Kumbaha Sampadyate, Tam Karoti, Kumbi Karoti. In a compound we can make Kumbi Kritya, Kumbi Bhuya. Akumbaha Kumpaha Sampadyamanaha Bhavati, Kumbi Bhuya. Here also, the Asbudhata also Bhuya. Asdhata also become Bhuya. As plus, what will happen? As plus Tva. Adhatuka Pratyaya Pare, Asdhatoho Bhu Adesha Bhavati. Asted Bhu. Therefore, Bhuya only you get. So Kumbi Bhuya. Anyachana, Anyani Kanichana Udaran. Aspashtaha, Spashtaha Sampadyate. Spashti Karoti becomes Spashti Krutva, Spashti Bhuya. Right? Aduram Duram Sampadyate. Duri Karoti, Duri Kritya, Duri Krutva. Akrishnaha, that's what we saw. Krishnaha Sampadyate becomes Krishni Karoti, Krishni Bhuya, Krishni Kritya. Akatva, Katva Sampadyate becomes Katva will become Shvi Pratyaya follows Avarnanta Sesana Ikara Adesha Bhavati. Therefore, Katvi, Katvi Kritya, Katvi Bhuya. That is a compound. Katvi Karoti, Katvi Bhavati. There Katvi is Gati Sanyaka Shabda. Okay. Fine. Then here he says 7432 and 7426. Ubayoga Prasakti Asti. Chaucha, I think that also causes the same thing. 7432 causes Avarnanta Sistane, Chi Pratyaya Pare, Achvarnanta Varnantasya, Angasya, Chau Pratyaya Pare, Ikara Adesha Bhavati. Chukli Bhavati. They're all example. Katvi Karoti, Katvi Syat. Katvi Syat is the compound. Katvi, that Katvi Syat is not compound. Katvi Bhuya is a compound. Katvi Syat is, that Katvi is Gati. This is Achecho. Chaucha also does the same thing. Chaucha, Chi Pratyaya Pare, Ajantasya, Angasya, Dirgha Bhavati. Okay, if it is Rasva, then becomes Dirgha. Example, Shuchi. Shuchi is not Adanta. That which is not Shuchi becomes Shuchi. So Ashuchi, Shuchi Sampadyate, Tam Karoti. Therefore, Chi becomes E becomes E. Shuchi, Shuchi Bhavati, Shuchi Karoti, Shuchi Sya. Patu Karoti. Patu become Patu, Patu Karoti, Dirgha. Patu Bhavati, Patu Rasva becomes Dirgha. Chi Pratyaya Pare, if it is Rasva, it will become Dirgha. If it is Akara, it becomes Ikara. This is accomplished by these two sutra. Asya Chau Chaucha. So example you can say Apatuhu, Patu Sampadyate, Tam Karoti. The Patu will become Utara, Rasva, Chi Pratyaya is added, therefore U becomes Dirgha, Patu. Patu Karoti, Patu Bhavati, Patu Sya. In a compound, Patu Kritya, Patu Bhuya. Similarly, Asuki, Suki Sampadyate. Sukaha, Asya Asti Suki. So Asuki, Suki Sampadyate, Tam Karoti, Sukin. So here, Nalopa Padipadikanta and apply the Suki, Suki Karoti, Suki Sya, Suki Bhavati. Compound it will be Suki Kritya, Suki Bhuya, all those things. Okay. So this is Chvi Pratyanta. What's a Chvi Pratyanta? Get the Sanya, Gati. And the compound is Gati Samasa. Okay. Now we have to see in the Sutra, we have seen Uri Shabda, enjoying Gati Sanya and the formation of compounds. Similarly, Chvi Pratyaya, we have seen. Now we have seen Dach. Dach we will see in the next class. Okay, any doubts here?
No, sure.
No, Sharaj.
No.
So we'll stop here. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. Here you can note, I said when in composition with Kru, Bu, Asti for Chvi and Dajanta, not only for this. In fact, Uri also, because Uri, Gati Sanya, Gati will be Kriya Yogi. Kriya Yoge, Gati Sanya Bhavati, Uriyad. So Kru, Bu, that's why example also, Uri Kritya, Uri Bhutva, Uri Bhuya. Okay. So Uri iti, Uriyadigana Shabdaha, Gati Sanya Kaha Bhavati, Kada, Kriya Yogi. Right. So Kriya Yoge, what are the Kriya? Kru, Bu, As. That those examples are all only available also. Uri Kritya, Uri Bhuya. Okay. Such examples you can see. Uri Kritya, Uri Bhuya only I given. Kritya, not are there any other example. I have to check because Kribu Asti Yoge only it is given. Kriya Yoge. And the tree is Kribu Asti, Kribu Sampadya Krattari. Chehe. And Dach and Dach Atta also. So Uri also, like Uri Kritya, Urari Kritya.
Sir,
And
the Uri,
Chida Chogo Idanam, yet Kashika Kara says. That Sagacharyat, Uryadainam Api Taiki ever Gati Sanya Bhavati Tidiyate. This is a statement from the Kashika. So the Kribu was Dhatu only for Chi and Dajanta. Because Chi Pratyanta Kribu as iti yoge Sampadikatri Chehe iti sutra, Chehi, sutra is there. So in Dach also we have a sutra. There it is Kribu Asti Yoge Eva Vidanam. Asti Chi Pratya Vidanam, Dach Pratya Vidanam. That's Sagacharyat because it is along with that the Uryadi also mentioned. Therefore, Uryadi also you have to take only in association with Kribu As. That's what Kashika Kara says. And that is the translation given. So I said in the beginning, in composition with Kribu As for these two. Not only for these two, include Gati Sangika Shabda also, Uri, etc. also. Okay. Understand? We see the statement. In fact, we saw the statement in the last class. Tat Sagacharyat. Uryadinamapi Taigi Eva Yoge Gati Sanya Bhavati. Right? Okay. Yeah, what is the question?
அங்கே டைப்போ இருக்கான். The words Uri accent is there now. It should be Uri, no?
Uryadi, yes. Uri Kritya, yes. Uri.
Okay. ಧನ್ಯವಾದः.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದः.
धन्यवाद शिवजी.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಶರಣ್ಜಿ.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ. I hope it's clear.